But one thing that I can say is that there's no transparency. There's no transparency whatsoever. Nakita namin yan ni Secretary Vince. Tinago lahat. No? And they are just so comfortable doing it. They're not afraid. Imagine, hindi man lang nila naisip na paano ang taong bayan. Nakakainsulto pa. At ito nga, lately nga, sinabi pa na yung involved na congressman dyan, si Saldico, he did not abandon it. It was a sacrifice. My God! Nagdakaw ka ng bayan, kasi sasabihin mo, it was a sacrifice on your part. And it's not an abandonment. Ganyan na ba kababa yung standard natin sa Kongreso, Mr. Chair? Ganyan na ba tayo kawalang hiya ngayon? Manhid, di ba? Napaka callousness, hypocrisy. At nakakainsulto sa mentalidad natin Pilipino.